Controversial activist and social media commentator Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Verydarkman (VDM), continues to drag on-air personality Nedu Wazobia as he vows to release his full list just as he supposedly exposed Baltasaar Egonga. It will be recalled that a long drama had started after the OAP Nedu Wazobia hosted D1 on his podcast, who made controversial remarks about Verydarkman. Verydarkman reacted by claiming that Nedu sleeps with women in exchange for giving them a platform to speak. He released one of the names of the ladies Nedu Wazobia allegedly had an affair with and vowed to continue. The activist claimed to have exposed the Equatorial Guinea notorious personality, Baltasaar, and he intends to release Nedu's list as well. His words read, "Nedu, after this moment you will remember why they call me the rattle. Na me you won't use get views, damn bro, you didn't really think this through." However, he said that he's more than just a content creator as he digs more information on trends and controversy. We will continue to monitor the story for more developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.